Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Surface port and grabbing the right adapter, USB-C or mini display port, because passive cables won't always carry video. Once you have an active adapter and an HDMI cable, plug the adapter into the Surface, then plug HDMI into the adapter and the TV. Make sure both devices are powered on. This immediate sequence establishes the physical link so Windows can detect the external display. It avoids wasted time swapping cables later. Once the physical link is in place, switch the TV to the correct HDMI input, and then on the Surface press Win+P to pick Duplicate, Extend, or Second Screen only. This tells Windows how to use the display. Next, open Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Display to fine-tune resolution and scaling so text and UI look sharp on the TV. Make sure audio output is set to the TV in sound settings if you want sound routed to the television. These steps ensure the picture. Finally, secure cables and arrange displays in settings so the Surface and TV sit in the correct order. This prevents mouse jumps between screens. Close background apps to free GPU resources and adjust power settings so the device won't sleep during media. If you see no signal, check that the adapter is active and powered if required, update graphics drivers, try a different HDMI port or cable, and reboot the Surface. These fixes resolve most common connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.